I love Tokyo because she was very hot.
Spider-Man throws the web.
It's Thor from the end game.
Melons!
I read its manga, and manga as in the Japanese comic book.
My character is Ichigo Kurosaki from Bleach.
Denver from Money Heist.
I have cosplayed as Wednesday Addams.
I'm playing Scarlet Witch today.
I'm playing as Raven from my favorite Teen Titan Go, and it's my favorite character.
Looking so handsome. Oh, you have your way.
It was very easy for me to dress up as the Money Heist character. All I had to purchase was a jumpsuit and a gun.
Spider-Man throws the web and he jumps. And he do handsprings.
Your hand is like this, so that's the pose.
My body on fire, and no one gives me shivers like.
I like this TV series a lot. It was something that started with a shade of grey. Like you have to judge whether they are good characters and bad characters. But overall, you are not able to judge what they are, but you fall in love with them. I love all the characters, like even Tokyo, Nairobi, everyone. Moscow is my second favorite. But Berlin is someone I can connect to with. That's why I chose this one.
But you're deep in my mind. Got a hold.
I was just watching Chainsaw Man and I was looking forward to cosplay. So I thought this is like, a mediocre cosplay where I don't need to spend a lot of money and I can make a good one.
But you're pulling me closer.
I didn't opted him this Spider-Man dress and anything. He does everything on his own. So he likes Avengers most, but Spider-Man is like the one, yeah.
One reason that it's special is because the movie just got released this year, so the craze was still there. And second, I think that balance thing that I was talking about, I like a character which can be both good and bad. So that is what makes this character unique, and that's the reason why I chose this character.
What's the signature sign of this character?
So there are two, but the standing one is your hand is like this. So that's the pose. I've not even been inside yet, and I've clicked so many pictures abhi tak. So I think the response have been good. I've heard a lot of compliments.
So he's a high school boy who becomes a soul reaper. The god of death. So, and then he starts to go into the realm of god of deaths and soul reapers, and there are some things happening over there. So he helps them, and then it turns out he is not a soul reaper. He is something else, and then something else. And the main villain of this movie are called Quincy's. And he's also Quincy and a soul reaper, so it's very he's a mixed bag of every ability that this particular anime have.
This is my first time cosplayer as Raven and as anime character as also, and I'm having fun. I really admire Raven character as most, and I really feel good as play as Raven, and people really recognize me, and it's quite famous.
It's Thor from the end game, and the special thing is that he's a lying old man with no responsibilities because he couldn't kill Thanos.
I am Dipali Kumar and I have cosplayed as Wednesday Addams from Wednesday series. What I like about this character is that it's completely different from my own self. She's cold as ice. Yes, I have been to 2 Comic Cons before the COVID, and after COVID it has happened back, and this time we thought that we're going to cosplay this time, and it feels really great that people recognize the character and they come across and they request that they want a picture with us, and it feels amazing.
Making art for 15 years, I'm obsessed with how each human looks different, and I like to capture them in my own special way. These are vector arts, so I use the mouse to make the portraits, and when you use the mouse there are limitations, and because of the limitations you find new ways to express yourself. That's why it looks very different and very unique, and that's why people like my work so much. People who are in their 70s who buy it, 80s who buy it. There are people who are even 8-year-olds who like my work.
Dabangg Girl is a girl superhero who breaks gender stereotypes. She talks a lot about social issues, and the idea is to give children of today a new voice, a more inclusive voice, and break gender stereotypes. She will not stop till she builds a gender equal world in a true sense.
Bucker Max is a web comic plus animation platform. So we are trying to build the first animated web series for India, for grown-ups in India. यूजुअली क्या होता है कि लोग बाहर के ग्रोन अप शोज़ देखते हैं, जैसे रिक एंड मॉर्टी वगैरह हो गया, सिम्पसन्स वगैरह हो गया, तो ग्रोन अप के शोज़ लोग बाहर के ज़्यादा देखते हैं. तो इंडिया का कोई शो नहीं है, तो दैट्स व्हाट वी आर ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड, ट्राइंग टू अचीव.